Hello all, in this video we are going to see about HTML, tables, images and list. Let us try to create a table first. Doc type HTML indicates it belongs to the HTML version 5. And I am going to give a title as Demo on HTML, tables, images and lists. Close the title tag. Again close the head tag. Open a body tag. Inside the body tag, I am going to create a table. Inside table, I want to display the student name along with the mark. So I want to display some 3 students details. So I want 3 rows. So let me create 3 rows using TR tag. TR indicates that it is a table row. So I want 3 students details. It will be of 3 rows in a table. So 3 TR tags are included. In each row, I want 2 data. One is the student name, another one is the student mark. So inside every TR tag, I need 2 TD tags. The first data represents the student name and the second data represents the student mark. So each TR tag will have 2 TD. TR in the sense table row, TD in the sense it is table data. First one, let it be Anu. Anu, her mark is 100. Second one, Bala, his mark is 98. And Chandru, his mark is maybe of 97. Let us save it. Let me save it in a desktop. I have to save this using the extension .html. So I have saved it. Let us check. It is first .html. I am going to open it. It is displayed, but it is not in the form of table. So what we need to give is border equal to 1. This represents the table border. If you want to give any name to the table, means we can use caption detail. Caption tag student details. Let us check. Yes, this is the table caption. So it will be the heading of the table. Next, the important thing we need to notice here is the row span and the column span. Remember 2 things. If you want to merge 2 cells vertically, we need to use row span. If you want to merge 2 cells horizontally, we need to use column span. If you remember these 2 things, then merging of cells in the table will be fine. Okay, let me change Chandru's mark is 98 and refresh it. Here Bala's mark as well as Chandru's mark is 98. So I can merge this 2 cell into the single cell. So I am going to merge the cells in a vertical manner. So vertical merge means I have to use row span. So I am going to use row span equal to how many cells I am going to merge? I am going to merge only the 2 cells, that is Bala's mark and Chandru's mark. So the value of the merged cell is 98. So no need of repeating the 98 here. So let us check it. It is merged, right? It is merged. Finally, if I want to display thank you inside the table, means I need one more row, right? I need one more row. What the data to be displayed is thank you. If we execute it, we have the 4th row. The first data is thank you and the second data is empty because we didn't have any data here. If I want to display by, means I can give it like this. So here it will be displayed thank you and by. But if I want to display the thank you by in the same cell or in the same row, I don't want this 2 cells. I want to merge the cells, both the thank you and by, into a single cells, which means I want to merge the 2 cells horizontally. Horizontally, we have to use column span. If we want to merge the two cells in horizontal manner, I have to use column span, not the row span. That's it. So these are the major things you need to know. The table tag, table row tag, table data tag, and if you want to merge the cells vertically, we need to use row span, and if you want to merge the cells horizontally, we need to use column span. So that's it about the table demonstration. Next, let us move to the image tag. The tag to be used is img. The picture to be inserted is given in src attribute. Src is nothing but source. Here I have already I'm already having an image named one. The file extension is JPEG. So I have to give the file name along with the extension JPEG. If the file is failed to load or if the file is not available in the location, I can display an alternate message using the alt attribute. I'm going to display a message called this is an image. So let us refresh the page. Yeah, but it is not rendering. So the image is not properly rendering. So the alt message given there is displaying. So let me try in another way. Oh, it's not working. Just a minute. Okay, let us do it in this way. Here my HTML file location is in desktop, but I'm trying to load a picture in a picture folder. So let me cut and paste it in a desktop folder, and let us try to execute it. Because the HTML file which is rendering the image should be in the same location. If not, we have to use the absolute path. Okay, here I'm not using any absolute path. I'm going to use relative path. If we are using relative path, we need the image should be in the same folder of the HTML file. So let us check it out. Yes, it is displayed. So here the original image is not fitted into my web page. So if I want to decrease or increase the size of image, I can represent the attribute width and height. Okay, so if I have given 10 height also 10, it will be very small. Okay, you could see the difference. So similarly, we can increase or decrease the size in a web page. So this is all about image tag. The last one is list. There are three types of list in HTML: ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. First, let us see ordered list. The tag to be used for displaying the ordered list is OL. And here OL, ordered list, in the sense it will be in numbers 1, 2, 3 or ABC or capital ABC or in Roman letters. So if we want to display the set of items in a proper numbering manner, we can use the OL. At the same time, I don't want any numbers. I just want to display the content using a bulletin. I can go for unordered list. Here I want to display ordered list. Okay, I want to display the orders like name, register number, so just a data, name, register number, and then address, and then city, then pin code. So these are the orders I need to follow. So I have given in a order list. So let us check it out. Okay, as I have reduced my web page size, it is not displaying. Yeah, you could see it, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is displaying in order. If I have changed this O to U, which means it is an unordered list. Now see the difference. It has changed to the bullets. Okay, so these are the two types: ordered list and unordered list. So I hope you got some idea about HTML tables, images, and lists. Thank you all.